In this tutorial, we will show you how to connect with Wi-Fi and download updates. The software of the Vasco Electronics devices is being constantly improved, and the current versions can always be installed free of charge and automatically by selecting the appropriate option from the device menu. To turn on Wi-Fi, you can either swipe down from the top, hit the Wi-Fi option there. Alternatively, if you go into menu, you can go to device settings and select Wi-Fi configuration. If it is disabled, you can hit the toggle and this will enable the Wi-Fi and the available Wi-Fi networks will be displayed. To connect to a particular Wi-Fi, you select which one you'd like to connect to and then you simply enter the password. A Wi-Fi that has a padlock icon next to it means it's a password protected network. Any Wi-Fi without a padlock means it's an open network. Some Wi-Fi networks that do not require a password might require additional actions such as accepting terms and conditions via a browser. It is not possible to connect to those such networks. Once you are connected, you will see the Wi-Fi signal strength in the menu bar at the top there. Now to check for updates of the device, in the device settings you will see updates there towards the bottom. If you select this, you can do check. Once it does a check, you can either get confirmation that there are no new updates, or you might get one with a new update that's available, which you can then update to. If you see the message device is not registered, then make sure to contact your dealer. You can press details for more information.